Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add friends in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the three dot more from the bottom bar. Here you will see Friends tab, tap on it. Now, to add a friend, tap on the search bar located at the top of the screen. Enter the username of the person you want to add, and when their profile appears, click on it to open their full profile. Once you are on their profile page, look for the Add Friend button, usually located on the right side of the screen. Tap on it and a notification will pop up saying Friend Request Sent. If the person accepts your friend request, they will be added to your friend list, and you will be able to see when they are online, play games with them, or message them directly. It's that simple. You can repeat this process to add as many friends as you like, making it easy to stay connected and enjoy Roblox together. And that's it. Now you know how to add friends in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.